In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change keyboard settings in Bluestacks 5. By the end, you'll have your games responding exactly the way you want, with keys that feel natural and precise. Start by launching Bluestacks 5. You can open your game right away or stay on the home screen. Either way works for accessing the key mapping tools. To open the controls editor, click the keyboard icon labeled Game Controls on the right sidebar, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus A. This brings up the keyboard settings panel where all your mappings live. To edit existing controls, simply click any on-screen control in the panel or overlay, like your WASD movement, jump, or shoot. Then press the new key you want to assign. You'll see the binding update immediately. For example, if you prefer your jump action on J instead of space, click, jump, and press J. Keep an eye out for conflicts. If two actions share the same key, you may trigger the wrong move in the middle of a match. If you need controls that aren't there yet, head into Advanced Controls. Choose the type that matches your game's need. Tap Spot is perfect for single buttons like Interact, Reload, or Skill triggers. D-pad helps with directional movement and pairs well with WASD. Shooting mode supports mouse aim for shooter-style gameplay. Place the selected control exactly where the game's on-screen button appears, then assign the keyboard key you want to use. Think of these as virtual touch points that your keyboard will activate. Next, fine-tune the layout. Drag each control to align with the game's buttons and resize when the option is available so the touch area neatly covers the target. Good alignment prevents missed inputs and keeps your actions consistent across screens and resolutions. When you're satisfied, click Save in the top right to apply everything, then exit the editor. Test your controls in-game to confirm that each action fires as expected. If something feels off, reopen the editor, tweak a position or key, save again, and retest until it feels natural. If keys aren't working, first confirm you click Save. If they still don't respond, restart Bluestacks to refresh the mappings. When the wrong buttons are triggering, check for duplicate keybinds and remove old controls that overlap. If you notice keyboard delay, enable high performance mode in Bluestacks to prioritize performance, and close background apps to free up system resources. That's all you need to customize your keyboard in Bluestacks 5. With a few thoughtful changes and a quick test, your controls will feel tailor-made for your playstyle.